guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a sweet potato replacement on keto. Super delicious and very easy to make. If you are into these things, then stick around and hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my video. And now let's get cooking. Alright, so we are going to slice up our squash first. And I like to take away the skin as well. Okay, let's clean up a little bit. And now we are going to season these. And I am going to sprinkle salt on them. Celtic sea salt, my favorite salt as you know. Hint of black pepper, a hint of onion powder, and a hint of garlic powder. If you want, you can use other spices, it's totally up to you. And now we are going to place them into this tray. And I am going to add cream cheese to it. This is 150 grams of cream cheese, and I am equally gonna spread this all around. Now I'm gonna pour over 1 cup of heavy cream. And after we pour this 1 cup of heavy cream, you can top this off with some sour cream. This is 2 deciliter and I'm gonna use all of it. And you just equally spread this on top. And now we're gonna sprinkle on 168 grams of mozzarella cheese and just place this on top. And now you cover this and put it into the oven for about half an hour on 200 degrees. And as I always say, preheat your oven way before. Okay, so our squash casserole is getting really good. I will remove the top layer at this point. And it needed a bit more time. It was in for an hour because it just didn't want to soften. I think it was an older squash. Yeah, so you need to leave it in until it's soft as butter. And now I will just get a nice crispy topping. So I will leave it in for another 10-15 minutes, just baking the top. Okay, now we will just wait to cool it down a little bit and then we're definitely gonna try it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys!